Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be testing cat eye nail polish from Amazon. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe if you are new because I would love to have you. And let's start the video. So this is the set I chose from Amazon. This set comes with 6 different shades of cat eye nail polish. And it also comes with the cat eye magnet. I'm going to be showing you how to apply this cat eye nail polish and giving you guys my thoughts on it and if it's worth the money. So I am going to be doing an example for all 6 cat eye nail polishes to show you guys what every color looks like. And then later on in the video, I am going to be doing a tutorial on my own nails to show you guys how to use these cat eye nail polishes on your nails. I am going to be gluing on some fake nails and I'm going to be using a Kiss glue to do that. These nails are also from Amazon. They are just press-on nails that are clear so you can paint them however you want them. I do want to say that already I have noticed from doing the samples of each color that some colors work really good with the cat eye nail polish and then some colors it barely shows up. I just want to say that that is not dirt under my nails, it is fake tan. I know it looks horrible, but it is just fake tan. Now I'm just going to be cutting the nails to the length that I want them to be. Now I'm just going to be going in and filing my nails, and I'm going to be shaping them as well. Okay, now I am going to be going in and painting all my nails with the first coat of nail polish. After the first coat, I am going to be sticking my nails in a LED gel light to bake the nails for 20 seconds, and then I am going to be applying the second coat of nail polish. Okay, after the second coat of nail polish, I am going to be taking the magnet and I'm going to be holding the magnet as close to the nail as I can. This is going to give the cat eye part of the nail polish. I'm going to be holding it for quite a while so it will show up. The longer you hold it, the more bold the cat eye nail polish part is going to be. And then I'm going to just continue those steps on all of my nails. I do really like all these cat eye nail polishes and I would recommend them. Amazon has tons of different options of colors that you can go off of. The set I am using, I am going to link in the description if you're interested in purchasing this set. I do want to say I've noticed with this nail polish, I do have to hold the magnet down to the nail for at least a minute or longer for the cat eye part to show up. After I did all of my nails, I am going to be using a gelish top coat and I'm just going to be painting that on my nails, and then again I'm going to be baking that on my nails for 20 seconds, and then here is the final nails.